PHAsisNEO device family supporting two kinds of inspection methods. First one is free testing, the second one is inspection according to fixed test plans. First of all, you need to check in by entering your personal password into the software. After that, the software showing the main menu of the inspection device. First of all, you see all available functions of the software you have. And actually, we are looking to the inspection of fixed test plans. If you click on test plans, you get an overview about all your fixed inspection plans which are created by the inspection operator, which is responsible for creating all the settings, all the wall thicknesses comparable to the part you need to check in production. And you can choose by clicking on it the necessary part you need to check. You see model, group, part, test plan means you can divide your part you need to check in 4 groups to be able to see which project you have to test. Means car model, customer, OEM partner, tier 1, whatever you have in front of you, you can define all the requirements in 4 groups. You can enter, if you like, a picture. You see all the evaluation parameters and inspection criteria for each spot. And if you like to get the overview, you can click on the picture to see the whole picture on the screen. You can jump from each spot to the other one to see, okay, which settings are behind that. But again, this is not necessary for the inspection itself. It's a helpful tool to get the overview of the part. If you start the inspection, you will get the same overview like in free testing. You see the live scan picture, you see the A scan of the chosen cursor position in the picture. You see the part, you see the requirements for inspection with all the settings behind, for example, also the wall thickness you have. And you can start the inspection. We have the first spot. We are placing the probe on the part. You can move to have the welded area in the center of the part. And if the probe is perpendicular to the surface, the background is blue. If you are not perpendicular, the background is white. I'm moving back. And if you feel, okay, this is the right position, I'm perpendicular to the surface, you can press the button for saving the result. On the right side, you see the picture. Red means non-welded area, green means the welded area. And if you like, you can jump with the cursor through all the points and you see the A scan according to the position of the cursor within the picture. Left side, you see all the requirements again and the target you need to reach. 4 mm, this is the diameter of the spot you need to reach. Measured is the outer circle in that case, which is valid for this spot. The software comparing both values and showing the results okay for this kind of spot. For sure, we are calculating automatically the wall thickness as an average of the welded area. You see the minimum and the maximum wall thickness you need to reach in the sense of combination. And if you agree with the result, you can save and you can jump to the next. And if you agree, you can save and you can jump to the next and so on, moving the welded area to the center. Trying to be perpendicular means the background is blue and so on. And if you, like that, if you are not 100% sure that the position was okay, you are able to unfreeze and you can start the same inspection again, like I did now, moving the probe, trying to be perpendicular and saving that result for that spot. The nugget is very small, so therefore the software measured 1.33, which is more or less nothing because the requirement was 4 mm. So you can jump to the next, doing the same, moving the probe, welded area in the center, pressing the button, OK, next, moving the probe, center, trying to be perpendicular, background is blue, OK, yes, next. As you can see, it's a very quick jump to the next spot because it's easy to find the welded area, trying to be perpendicular, it's easy to understand. Okay, I agree, next. Moving, welded area to the center, perpendicular, background is blue, okay, next. 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 If you are reaching the end, you are able to enter, for example, a small remark, either serial number of the part or some kind of text, whatever you need to enter for reporting according to your quality control. And if you agree to enter that, you can push the button for saving and you are back in the main menu. And you can start with the next test plan you need for inspection.